Evan, please be careful and don't hit this off. It's gonna be sitting there for a second.
Money's no object. What are you, crazy? I'm not paying that much.
I'm not casting right there.
Yeah.
Don't even cast.
This spot you have to wear, I think, a head mount. I just thought I fixed it a bit. I even went ice fishing, I didn't catch me.
Really?
Yeah, that's why I took that auger video. That's why I got almost 450,000 views. Kind of happy I took one. How much was that reel?
Really not that much. It's like $60, I think.
That's what I'm looking at getting another. I got to do a heavy rod, like a 9-foot one. I got to throw in that 9 or something. It's a little wet too, so that's what you need.
That's what she said.
How you doing?
Stuff down here, didn't you?
No, we just got here. What are you looking for?
Oh, a friend of mine's girlfriend, he broke up and she dumped his
Oh no.
stuff down here. He had a couple of rods.
Oh no, we just got here. That sucks. I'd be pissed.
He is an angry black woman.
Damn. That'll do it to you.
But you see that sucker over there? 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds.
Too much ice off the river.
This has been clear for a few days.
Yep.
Get ready to cook your fish, huh?
Yep. Just doing a little catch and cook, but we haven't caught anything yet, so we're just cooking.
Yesterday and the day before, I probably spent 5 hours down here.
Okay. Nothing? Not even.
Not even a rock bass.
Damn.
Thanks, guys.
Yep, you have a good day. This water is really high. This is. You got one? Or are you snagged? You're snagged. I was like, oh, you scared me, dude. I thought you had one. I was like, no way. You just had your drag like extra low.
So you guys fished here before?
Like a couple times, 2 or 3 times, yeah.
If you don't do any good and you don't want to give up, that's 4th Avenue down there.
By the beach down there where those guys are?
At the beach. And there's a hole out there. There's a lot of snags.
Okay.
You know, if you're using like jigs and that. But they do pretty good. The guys floating minnows and stuff like that, they do pretty good on walleye and northern.
My little brother caught a nice like 10-pound carp over there, but
Oh yeah,
no, it's just a carp. Yeah, there's a bunch of carp.
there. That's the guy down there now. Most of your snags are from this point to this point.
Yep.
That's most of the tubes is relatively open.
Stuck. Oh, you got the log? Uh-oh.
That's been in there for about 3 days. I'm gonna go home and see if my wife will not fish.
Good luck.
Always gotta do the honeydew list.
Yeah. Make sure you still got your rods.
I have to break off this pretty bad.
Have you seen anyone catch anything? I haven't seen anyone catch nothing yet. Just curious. I already know I'm gonna snag with this, but there's a chance I hook a fish, so. I mean, look how far that hooks. It's gonna be so worth it though if I do hook one though. That's the thought. Stay a little grouped up. Still think that guy caught one. It looked like he was holding something up, but I couldn't tell what he was holding up. Yeah, a little rock bass or something.
I would take that right now.
I would take that. Yeah, it's pretty good too. Can't hurt. Good enough for me. Alright, time to get the old Scout up. Just don't want to burn that. I'm gonna be honest, I probably should have cooked the rice a little bit more at home, but are you snagged like crazy?
No,
Oh, you got it. Oh no. Got it? Okay, hell yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a good old
I
cast.
felt a little thump and I knew what it was. I'm like, don't set the hook.
Yeah, yep, don't. Like I said, this spot is crazy for snags. Like, it is dumb. I wouldn't mind throwing my waders on next if it was another 60-degree day and jumping in the water, but
Yeah.
I need to make sure mine are actually sealed up. They were like seeping through.
You're flushing on the side.
Yeah. Oh, that one's a little over to the left, but we're chilling. Catch one of them. You can cook one of them up. I got my knife. Just kidding. Let's see what we got, Evan. Might have to flip it a couple times, but that's all right. How you doing? Do you have any luck here this year? Yeah. What you fishing for then? So a little bit, yeah. That's good to know. At least people are catching stuff here. Let's see if it's even getting one. You might be flipping it with this because I don't have a flipper. Hitting the old scoop underneath. Smelling pretty good, I'll tell you that. Well, that's actually kind of gas. This thing, it's actually doing pretty well, I'm not gonna lie. Kind of impressed. The rice is struggling, but the salmon's doing just fine. But fish, you don't really have to cook at a high temperature. You can cook that like super low, I feel like. These guys brought a lot of stuff down here. They know what they're doing. That's what I'm thinking. When people get here and they go straight to that corner, they usually have good luck. I've seen them catch a couple decent amount of things. Well, that one guy came here and he said he caught a 35-pound flathead over there or something. Yeah. Had to have been a flathead. Nothing else is that big here. I don't. Ooh. When it cuts that easy, I know it's done. Try a piece, brother. Take a piece. Should have a fork in here somewhere too. Uh-oh. That's fine, we can call it wraps. I'm not too worried about it. Catching fish in. I got my clip. And I got
That was awesome.
There's not much that can top that. Take a bite, Evan. Catch and cook with no catch. Just the cook.
Just buying it, cooking it.
Just the cook.
It's good.
He didn't even taste it. Yeah, that's good. No, that was good. I wanted to put. See, my problem is last time I put lime.
A little bit red pepper flakes. Yeah, all mine's spicy shit. It's pretty good.
Some people don't like the fishy taste, so I either go with like sweet, or I go with like a spicy. You know what I mean? So I either do like a